Hi friends, this is Maya. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to share with you today amazing recipes that come from my Ukrainian grandma. This is a mask that gives you same effect, kind of like a Botox. What it will do, it will lift your skin, it will make your skin tighter, brighter, it will help a lot with reduction of fine lines and wrinkles, and overall it just improves your skin tone and texture as well. You will need only two ingredients. First ingredient is water, but what is the second ingredient? What do you think? What can it be? It's actually grounded flax seeds. If you have flax seeds that are whole, you can put it in a blender just for 30-40 seconds and you will have grounded flax seeds. This ingredient has so much powerful enzymes and it's so good for our skin, not just for our health but also for our skin. What you would like to do, you want to take 2 teaspoons of ground flax seeds, put it into the cup, and then here is my kettle, and water in this kettle is warm, but it's not very warm. If water will be very warm, it will actually kill all nutrients and enzymes. So it will push flax seeds to release these active ingredients, enzymes and nutrients, of course, vitamins that we need in order to lift and brighten our skin. And this needs to stay for 3 hours and you need to cover it with something really good. Flaxseed mask offer multiple skin benefits including enhanced natural glow and deep hydration. It prevents acne by regulating hormones and sebum production. Flaxseed helps to tighten pores, control oil, and provides anti-aging benefits throughout collagen production and wrinkle reduction. Friends, this mask needs to be applied to your skin as layers. So this is the first layer. We call it all natural Botox. It's a natural way to achieve radiant, smoother skin while soothing allergies and inflammation. Furthermore, Flaxseed mask works great in refining your skin texture. Okay, so more or less in 5 minutes, this layer will be dry. And instead of remove it, you need to apply another layer. And like that, 4 layers. In the end, your skin will be very, very tight. So what I like to do when I do this mask, I do it 1 time every week, 42, and I feel that my skin looks pretty good for my age, because I use all natural remedies. As you see, I already applied first layer of this mask and I'm waiting another 3-4 minutes for this layer just to dry a little bit, and then I'm going to apply a second one. Okay, that's the second layer. I usually do this mask 1 time a week. I really love this. This is one of my favorite masks ever. You will see results right away. I feel like my 42 years old, my skin look pretty good, and I use only all natural remedies. It has the ability to tighten pores and control excess oil, resulting in a smoother and more even complexion. Now we need 10 minutes until these 2 layers will dry, and then I would recommend to apply 1 or 2 layers, up to you, but more layers better. I usually apply 4. Look at this texture. And while this mask is drying on me, follow me and I will show you my iguana pet. And every time when I have a mask on my face, I just go and meditate right next to him, and I really enjoy it. That's what I usually do when I have my mask. Blanca and myself, we are just chilling and doing positive affirmations and meditations. And I still have my mask with me right here. I'm going to reapply it. It's been 10 minutes since I applied my layer number 2. Now it's time to apply my layer number 3. Packed with antioxidants and lignans, it stimulates collagen production and promotes new cell turnover. Flaxseed mask, you definitely can be outside with that on the sun. Hi Blanca, do you want some mask? He's so cute. He's been our pet for 20 years. 2/3 of their lives, iguanas spend in nirvana. He's closing his eyes and he's just somewhere there, but he can hear everything. He knows I'm right next to him, and yeah, he's so chill. He's in a sleepy mood. helping to reduce the appearance, fine lines and wrinkles. Definitely the mask that everyone needs. Guys, one thing, when you rinsing this mask and you feel like after you rinse flax seeds, but you still feel like slimy substance on your skin, leave it there. It's very important to have it there. It will penetrate deep into your skin, and that's what will tighten your skin. Once you remove all flax seeds and you have a little slime, that's the good, and just move to next place. Friends, look at my skin after flax seed mask. Super soft, so much glow, and I definitely see improvement on my mimic expressions. Skin become much tighter, brighter and stoned. It feels like a tennis ball, you know, it's so kind of like firm. That's what I love about this mask. I can see immediate results and I can just enjoy these results and have this beautiful glowing skin. Try it and do it in the beginning twice a week. After that, when you see that your face change, once a week, but be consistent. Consistency is the key. Thank you for watching. I will be so happy to see you back to my channel. And for now, have a wonderful day.